Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 18th, 2024. And in this additional, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested. This one is a 4 stars Sudoku. Number 9455. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. A truly 4 stars Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes. Or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 3 fours. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 fives. Well. We have here 2 sixes, 4 sevens, well, 1 8, 2 eights, and 1 9. So the 5s and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with the 5s? No. What's happening? How about the 7s then? 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So no row below, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7, okay. 7. 7. Well, will be difficult. Need a 5 here. 5. Interesting. Need a 4 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 1 in this row, last row. 1 in the row box. On that row, only 2 places left. The 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 7, yes, 7 in the last column. Oh, sorry, 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. No. Need a 7 there. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, no. Only place 11, 6 should be here. Need a 1 here. And I need a 5. Yeah. In this column, last column, we need a 5. We have 6 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is a 5 and a 1. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square. So no 1 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. 1 in this column. Oh wait, 1. Need a 5 here. Need a 5. 5. We have a pair again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have 5 and a 7 in this last row. So no 5 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 and a 7 in the row above. So no 5 and a 7 in those 2 boxes. And we have a 5 and a 7 in this column. So no 5 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5. Okay. Then, let me see. Yeah. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. That means we need a 5 here. Okay, in this row we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is number 5. Here can we 5? We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there. Here can we 5? We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 5 in this column, no 5 there. The only place left of 5 in this row should be there. 7 and 5, we have 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. We have all the 5s and all the... Nope. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. How about the 7s? Need a 7 here, and I need a 7 there. Well, need to wait. 1, 6, 7, 5. Okay. And now, let me see. Let me see. 4. What 8. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left of 4 should be there. Need a 2 there. How about the 3s? Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Yeah. Give me 3. The 3 should be here or there. Yeah. 3 here. I'm thinking. Need a 4 there. 4 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. 1, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 1, 8, 9, and look, we have 8 and 9 in this column, no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 1 then. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left with 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Need a 5 here, I need a 5 there, okay. How about the 7? I need a 7 here, and I need a 7 there. Yeah. 8 and the 6 missing. 9, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, and look at 3 and a 4 in this row. No 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this column for number 6 then. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this one, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes, and there. 8. And, yeah. Well. Well. How about these three missing numbers in this column? For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. Okay. So that should be the 2, the 3, and 8. Yeah, 2, 3, and 8. Okay. Come on. Need 8 here. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Yeah, I'm thinking 9, 9. 9, 9, yes. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be here. 9, 9. Need a 2, need a 3, need a 6. We need a 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in this box. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the first 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. 2 and the 3. Here also 2 and the 3. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, need a 6 here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, now only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 7, and 9 in this column. We need 6, 7, and a 9. We have a 6 and a 7 in this third row, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 9. Alright. 2, 3, and 8. Yeah. Do we have all the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can't see yet. Digit number 2, number 6. How about the 5s? Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. How about the 7s? 7 in this row. 7 in the third row. So the row between. The second row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. 3, 3. How about the 4? Come on. How about the 9, 9, 9? Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need 9 here. Three missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this row. Should be here. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there. We have all the 5s, and all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 5, okay. Then, need 9 there. Need 9 here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. That's the column only 2 places left, and 9 should be here. Oh, there we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row only 2 places left, and 9 should be here. Oh, there we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so that column only 2 places left, and 9 should be here. Oh, there we have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 5, number 9. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Then let me see. 2, 3, 8. Yeah. Need 8 here. 8 and 3. 8 and 3. 2 and 3. How about the 2s now? Come on. Need a 2 here. 2. What's happening? Where are the 2s? 2 and 8. 4 and 8. 2, 4 and 3. 4 and 3. No, 3 and 8. 3 and 8. 2, 3 and 4. How about 4, 8 and 2. 4, 8 and 2. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers in the last column are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have a 4 and 8 in this row. No 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in the last column for number 2. 2 and 3, we have 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 2, 2. Okay. This is a 3. 1 box left in this column. 2 or 3, we have a 2 now. So this box will be a 3. 3 and a 4, we have 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row. The only place left for a should be there, and I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes in there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left for 4, it should be here. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left 2 should be here. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. And 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Well, 19 minutes. Not a 4. Not a 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.